the UK. Oh, I made it! I told you I would. Right, everyone, let's get some high fives. Now, what picture would you like to make?
Icy picture.
Oh, good idea. What's going to be in the icy picture?
Igloo.
Igloos. Very good.
Seals.
Seals. That's a really good idea. What do seals sound like? Super seals, everybody. I think we're ready, aren't we?
Yeah!
Let's make it together.
We're making a seal.
These are the snowy mountains. And these are our icy blocks.
Oh, these things are cool, aren't they, Charlie?
And we'll need a nice frosty background.
We're having a great time making our big picture. Look, there are igloos everywhere. And that's just given me an idea. Why don't you make something too?
Why not make your own incredibly useful igloo? You will need a cardboard tube and scissors, a clean plastic bowl and sticky tape, pieces of tissue paper and gloopy glue, paint and a paintbrush, a foil plate and cotton wool, kitchen scourers, a clean plant spray and an old toy. Start by carefully cutting the cardboard tube down the middle. Then open it out a little, like this. Now, ask an adult to help you find a clean plastic bowl and stick the cut tube onto the side of it with sticky tape to make an igloo shape. Then cover everything with pieces of tissue paper and gloopy glue and leave it to dry. Now use white paint to cover your igloo with icy blocks. Glue cotton wool all over the foil plate like this and place the igloo in the middle. Then tear tree shapes out of the kitchen scourers. If you find this tricky, ask an adult to help you. Push the trees into the gaps of the cotton wool. And if you've got one, why not add an animal toy? Now for a finishing touch of extra snow, ask an adult to help you mix watery white paint and put it into a plant sprayer. Spray the mixture all over the igloo and the trees. Your incredible igloo is finished, complete with a secret compartment for storing special things.
What a good idea. Why don't you try it? But right now, let's see how our big picture's coming along. Oh, yes. Good work, Mini Makers. Nearly finished. Oh, well done, everyone. We made it together! Yay!
That looks cold, but the seals look really happy.
Make it, Mr.